I found another elevator in another garage. It's literally like 2 a.m. Not literally, it's 1:30 in the morning. And these places are all just open. Weird. Looks like there's more, so I'll film those too probably. Holy shit! That's incredible! That is actually an insane motor, holy crap. Did somebody put a Westinghouse door operator on this thing? Well, this thing's actually pretty sick. We'll ride it one more time. This just opens right out onto the street too. Damn. Lantern doesn't work. God damn it. I knew it couldn't be perfect. That's it.